Okay, kasi dito pasun kayo communicate na tu Mizoram tu solai seta pasun kalau dimina kan ichi hakan kinero at saklaw ka kan sendon so from hero okay tega tiêm à, cho mình tiêm. Rồi, ba gần sợi tổ hakan dona. Cái tiêm chance này đâu, cái tiêm kem nó tụi này đâu. Nếu không tầm cho con tiêm tụi này á, kalau sẽ nó mà sẽ tiêm thì cần dia. Mình phải khắc nó, mình đang thấy chuyện này cái thấy rồi. Rồi, rồi, đi rồi. Chuan.
không chịu đâu.
Tuna. Hello. That. Line sa Kagin, goalkeeping coach Dinthar arong kala ama hi lekina tu sei thong achmi ma chuan hi soyang ama hi ke mani khel ma in professional a hian to club ke pui pui mo bena te puta Kolkata te ta mun khat kana the chumi chu tuna hian line sa injin na ko khani thunga chu chu ama hi tuna hian goalkeeping coach ania India team ate ka team dong junior senior ano oh tuna nang ma ni di extra Ramtei bubai na inong kana so di min le min dia khan di MPL te le kay ke mani reliance coach te mun sang sang di kha kita RG kan to o chu di ke tula tuna engemo asoyanga til engemo asoyanga chuan chuni ba ka engemo nang mani ta na tips tu engemo chuan chuni. Good evening boys.
Good evening sir.
Good evening boys.
Good evening, sir.
When you come to ground, you must be very lively. Very good. Okay. My name is Goalkeeper. I work with the line foundation as a goalkeeping coach. Okay. At the same time, I'm a goalkeeping instructor, coach educator as well. So today I will be doing some sessions to understand goalkeeper a little bit about you, and then try to help you a little bit. Okay, along with the players. Okay. And then with all the players will be involved in the technical session. Okay. First, we start with some activities separately for the goalkeepers, other teams will be that side, and then later on I bring all of you. Okay? Then you try to score. And the goalkeeper will not allow you to score there. Yes? Goalkeepers, who all are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 goalkeepers. Okay, very good. Okay, first part technical training will be there with them. Okay? And when the players all come, you have to stay out. Because that time, you know, their power is strong. Yeah, it can be so just technical work you can be a part of it, okay, and then later on we'll discuss. Okay, ready for the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so outfield players, everybody go this side. Okay. Hello, Bengal. Oh, you are talking. Keep this and then let me scan. Okay. So all the goalkeepers take some balls, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6 balls. Remaining balls you give it to them. Other balls we can go that side. We'll do some functional exercise, and then later on I will bring everyone, and then I'll try to make you score. Okay? And then let's see, you score or they save. All right? Get the ball. Back zone. Yeah. Get glove. Salsa na zui nga nila. With the glove. Get the glove. Get the glove. We'll take the ball. Yeah. Continue. Yes.
Keeper.
Yes. Before jumping, shout keeper.
Keeper.
Ali shout. Before jumping. Come on. Not afterwards. Before jumping. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Now.
Keeper.
Yeah. Okay. Now what can happen is okay. If you don't say anything, when you throw the ball up, I'm team defender. Throw the ball up, yeah, up and catch. What can happen? Okay. Now you throw and say keeper. Yeah. You throw, I throw and say keeper. Keeper. Then I don't go, because goalkeeper say keeper means he's coming. Then defender, he no stop. Then he protect you. Okay. If you don't shout, your teammate will only jump on you and you can lose the ball. Yeah. Early shout. Before jumping, okay? Not this, okay? Not this. Keeper, no, okay? You throw up, keeper! then I jump. Alright, ready, let's go.
Super Dingro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exact. Baru kuro. Tuin tak turi. Ini lobby. Ini cuy 5, 6 passes di lobby. So mite ro kalau tu lama. Ila. Tu malah lucu kan le tu le. Yo. Vai na sang deu ni. Okey, kita go. Start dulu. 1, 2, 3.
Zo papa Abraham machuana tu hi bare ani lo left back me Victor a train hui kalak set bak lo hoi khat muna deu ani ko zola mi Victor mo so that mer ve a bot pe dikro an traffic mama ya adikani hi oh ari par metro Spencer cool thầy khóc mày okay mi mu nom tắt Solomon Chuan sốt tệ đó Kaleba Bex Academy mo hi Victor tuna mi hi bol chang hi tu Solomon mo khoi mi Solomon ai headline mi ram tuna mi hin ta Solomon number 14 somo Solomon tôi bóng lý kia thì chỉ có sẽ đâu nữa lắm Bex Academy thì tê ram hun thì tê mo an tâm này ấy dur tlang ami number 22 itu kan khát mình khát Supa ni mo Supa ena mi saranan dut la kha du mani da Jonathan mo 20 somo
One go there. One go there. Into here. Everybody come one by one from here. Okay. First exercise. Understand? Okay. So we start only from this side. Okay. Okay. So this one, I play the ball to you. Okay. You play the ball to him. You play the ball to the wing. Okay. Just understand. And one of you will run. Okay. Just understand it. I play. You play the ball to him. Okay. Take it. Start. Okay. Okay. Don't. Okay. Now stop.
Stop block.
If you run early, what can happen? Yeah. So wait for him to play the ball. So you stay behind the ball. Okay. If you go ahead and receive, I'm offside. So I wait for him to play, then I make the run. Right? On back here. Okay. Now after playing, let's go. Let's go. Now we go inside. You go inside. Right leg. Right winger. Go down. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Stop. Now wait. Now come here. Now in this situation, now we go inside. Now you make the first ball run. Run across. Okay. And now you go around. Now you come inside. Okay, you go first post. I go second post. And then you come inside.
interchange kha ne mai
Come, you go
in tlan thleng kha
take it down the line. Okay. Okay, now you stay behind. Okay. Now you
ani mai ti hi zir tur hi tam na tro
right or left?
no pa chu mo
Right in.
tu right wing supan lo ni lo right winger
Right footer.
right footer kha ba change ro le aka lefty ni chuanin heta achak lama khan
quickly.
I don't want you to come here, bring the ball back.
Sáng giờ bố lì lại cross cái ăn đủ đó.
Ồ.
Đà đấy mà biệt thằng lâu.
Got it?
Isaac, cái là mình left footer. Thu là mà right footer. Mà căn rộng đấy rồi. Mà sẽ khá là tí đôn. Thế là bạn
Now,
ông tàu
go around. Go around. You go around him. Yes, wait, yeah, go around, overlap. Now you come inside.
kon tlan lu ro le
Okay, now, play the ball across, play. You say with force.
đi ra cross thế cái ông này. Winger. Số mà winger đi lâu.
We all go out. Okay? We all go out. Next three, quickly. One player here, one player here. Quickly moving. And then we go out, jog out. Okay? Yeah, next two, quickly moving. Yeah, we go out. Okay, play the ball to him. Play the ball. Okay, now we go in.
the change
And the winger. Where is the winger there now?
Winger.
Who crossed fast ball? No, not you. Who was the one just left cross? You. So you come back there. Okay? After coming inside, you come back there. Understand? Then we continue the.
Mà cái này cái là ngã à ball pass tu khá ikal tel don.
Yeah?
Cái thiểm tu rồi.
Got it clear now? Yeah? Don't get confused. Ready? Now quickly, the moment they finish, okay? One of you go there quickly without ball. Okay? Then the one come with the ball. Anyone. Okay, play the ball to him. Okay, now set the ball for him. Receive, and then now you go in. Yeah, play down the line. Now you go inside everybody.
oh speed
Okay?
pura
That's too far.
next up
Alright? Okay, come back. We start again.
next ai try ni thian pass speed the chi tangai ai try no
Yeah?
aron cross thei tur khan
Next three be ready. Okay?
without opponent ani wangin a tha theyang ber khati phot ro
Ready? Let's go. Yes. Next three be ready. Yeah? Yes, go. And then go in. Let's go. Go in. Yeah? Now next three be ready here. Yes. Yeah? Okay, wait. Well done. Keeper, release the ball. And now you overlap.
Come on.
Wait. Stop. Only one will overlap. Where are you going? Yeah. So when he is going, we come here for the ball, yeah? Because inside, Mama inside, little bit, Mama inside. Yeah, on the run, let him cross. Yeah, inside, little bit, diagonally inside. Ready? On the run.
first touch thei chuan first time ma result tur kha du
Come inside here. Yeah. From there, everybody run inside. Okay? The one who passes, that will become the third man. Okay? And then we move on. Clear? So, okay, it will take time to understand. Once you understand, you know, it will go one by one. Ready? Let's go. Let's go the pass. Take the ball to him. Take a touch. Go now. And three of. Go in.
next ka ka lo de
Okay, now overlap. Overlap. Okay, now you go inside. Go inside. Come on. One touch finish. Okay, done. So now don't wait here. Once you get the ball, yeah. Mama, maybe you come more in. It's too big for them. Yeah. Yes. Help me to the ball. Okay. All right. And some balls back. Now, girl, clear. Ready? Good cross for them to score goal. Okay. Ready? Let's go. One. Yeah. Two. And then go inside. Ready? Let's go. Go inside.
Ball sa asop thay na sa luto ka. Tek root na dewe. Katiga.
Okay. Now, be ready. Get inside. Yes.
first time
Okay, that's good. Back. Let's go. Next three.
Nimi na zirto ka. Pasuluk thadeu.
That's good.
Abat cha ka.
Okay, now you can take over this. Yeah, they understand now.
Hey.
Nisro. Lep mal. Ya. Ebia. Hey. Bare, communicate. Come on. Yeah. Cross, cross, bare. Yeah.
Well done, goalkeeper. Okay? Yeah, let's go. Start.
Loma. Lom rual. Atlanga. Kau haro. In cross lo. Yeah. Lom rual. First start. Good goal. Slow. Come on, again. Avan na ve Solomon ni phadon mi.
Hey, midfielder ka chade un tu te de me ula. Har the nei. Okay.
Spencer.
Nai ber ka kual ngal pupla.
Jason. Defender renta to. Come on, Abby. Cross. Yeah, interchange wrong. Interchange man laba. Yeah, it's good. Victor, good. Victor, good. Nice goal. Choice tour pathuma om. Come on, defender net. Goalkeeper.
Okay, well done, defender. Okay, next group.
Avan try. Ulukang le. Solomon ate. Solomon. Yeah. Lapping. Again. Bernard. Change. Good. Lutuk mama.
Now one overlap. Others come inside. Well done.
Bare. Finish. Kalutuk.
Ready, next go. Come on, cross.
Abby, Jason.
Finish it. Same ball, overlap. Good set, back.
First time, Jason. Spencer, Kauro. Kaleb, cross. Matsuana, good. Kaleb, come on. Focus.
Well done, goalkeeper. Okay, next group. Here, inside.
Good defending. Solomon.
Cross, Solomon. Cross, come on.
Lapping.
Next. Player is here. What do? I do a cutback. If my player is running, I put advance pass, run and finish. So keep your head up, wait to deliver, and then quality of crossing has to be good. Yeah. Just now. Yeah. 3-4 players are there. The ball went somewhere. If you can deliver it correctly to your green, let's go. Alright.
So is that kan zira koi mo there so ka bui nai awareness kan ti ka che po cross ke got ke po ka be ki ra chu no ka che te kan ena ka bu koi mo na ro ka che ti ka koi mo there uluk te ka cross te ka koi mo
And then for goalkeepers, What did you learn today from that
Ini
exercise?
jirbele goalkeeper teh.
Catching. Okay. Yes, you must catch or punch. Okay. That is general. But there are so many things we discussed. What is important now?
Poi mol. Saya tu lah kan latih pagi kah. Isu itu besar tu. Ingin berzir.
What is very important for you, goalkeeper now?
Ini poi mo ber ka goalkeeper tan. Ini poi mo ber.
Perfect. Yeah.
Song tam.
You have to talk. Yeah. Now you come here, Mama. Now ball is coming there. If you say keeper, what he will do? He will leave it for you. Otherwise, now you jump on me. Yeah, yeah. This can happen if you don't talk. Yeah. So I go, he jump on me, ball will fall down. If I say keeper, then he will leave it for you. He will protect you from the attackers. Yeah. So your communication. If you are coming, address. Yeah. If I'm not coming, now it's difficult. What do? I still communicate. Okay, I'll say, Mama, clear! Away! Yeah? So now he will clear. After clearing what?
Clear tak ini kata ya.
Yeah? Up! Now push the team up now. Yeah?
Itu dua poi mo.
Then, if you have space in front of you, easy. Too many people in front of you is difficult. Okay, goalkeeper, you have to talk. I told you, no? Defenders, they cannot leave the ball in the box. Tell them, hey, tight, man to man, watch your man. Yeah? Communication, timing, how to come out. The catching technique, of course, you have to learn a lot. Jumping with right leg, landing with 2 feet. To practice. Yeah? Don't feel shy. Yeah? You want to play goalkeeper? You have to be aggressive. Yeah? Everybody make mistake. Yeah? There is no goalkeeper in the world who doesn't concede a goal. Yeah? They make one save, you score 1 goal, we win. Yeah? You, how will we win? Just ask them how we win game. Okay. Okay. Green scored 10 goal.
Green goal som.
Okay? 10 goal. Big number, huh? But now red scored 11 goal.
Red 11.
Who wins?
Tu
So then now tell me how you win match.
I think in here kaya ni John Singhan. Score.
You score goal and you concede goal. You win? No.
Illa malu le.
I score goal and I keep my house. I lock my house. Yeah? If I open my house and I go and take things from your house, somebody is taking from my house also. I close this house. No entry. And I go here to score goal. Yeah? So I score goal and I don't concede goal. Then only I can win. Yeah? If I score 10 goal and your goalkeeper, he concedes 11 goals, you lose. Remember that, man, okay? So this is when you want to win. Very good play, boys, but most of the time, first touch towards your own goal. Most of you, many of you.
In game chalu to. Aro pechu kanna makan hoi.
Very good technique, very good running ability.
Kima chabe.
Look forward.
Malama.
All taking, yeah?
Goal kanna ma dilo. Don chut malam end.
When we don't, I don't have option to go forward, then only I take help of goalkeeper. I
Kal
go
we
back.
no kan chen ten mark back ten tra na jadi para ten tak ini don back pass ko. Oh.
First touch is always forward and look to play forward. Option 1, go forward. No option, we keep the ball. Maybe here, maybe go back. But first option is, I get the ball, what I need support. If you run, then I have option. If you stay, then I cannot play forward. So everybody has to move forward, take forward. Okay? So thank you so much for all your effort. Good effort, good 100% effort. That is more important. Huh? I keep telling you. In the training, if you give 100% the way you gave today, definitely you will succeed. Yeah? How you train, you play in the game same. If you don't train hard, in the game also you give up. So in the training also, always put 100% effort. Alright? Always give 100% in training, in the match you will play 100%.
Top training ai ti chuan next a chuang nge do lu tak nge do takoi du lo me put bang ila.
Yeah, like a group photo. Good.
La ha pro. Agal la do
Saya jadi tinggal itu anu ya. Kam.
im lặng eng hok mấy đồng phò
Chen chu la chen này
Sao mà tí in giật cái phone phí này selfie là gì? Liền lúc nó mà tên nó là bạn.
vậy lặng vậy ra miss Ramtei kan eng kim jadi pa Spencer te hau kha in tilen deuh le ngai kha
cái này đâu rồi.
Fiz bam bare te chứ super te Jason te bare te mo nỉ mi xin in tí te chứ nỉ để mấy lo dạ Sarmam Mizoram ti in kan cái mani hawin ati cái mani đâu boya Sarana na. What chobe?
Còn đúc vậy sao là còn đúc không còn đúc.
Do ti bao đó sa. Phát sửa nó có pack đó không mày. One big pack ka six pack ka chuộc đó nè.
Sarana này
Ayo sai.
Ole.
Next time có lẽ là phải don.
Nia đam chuan tro. Futi game te po ron buat sai ra thang. Ka bai wo, sai tu. Le. Yeah, over there. Yeah.